Hey, it's Randy. I'm back here. I'm hiding back here. All right, so I got this farmhouse looking vanity light fixture. This is something you're gonna hang over the mirror in the bathroom. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Remember, if you don't feel comfortable doing your own electrical work, always hire an electrician. So let's open this guy up and see what we got. A little pack of supplies here. We'll see what's in there. This is the actual fixture hanging off the light. It's protected by cardboard. That's great. That's what we want. The 3 light housings. Look at that. I like that bubble glass. That bubble glass look with the bubbles inside of the glass. Very nice. Here's the actual fixture itself. It is 23 inches long. Got 3 light fixtures on the front there. And 6 inches wide. Okay, we have a set of gloves for if we have to examine any artwork or old books before we hang this up. So basically that's what it's going to look like when the fixture's installed. But there will be 3 of them. So let's get this guy installed. All right, so here's part 1. We're going to disassemble the old light. Let's get these guys out of here. These things are generally pretty easy to install. You're going to need a multimeter and a few hand tools, tape measure, typical stuff. I'm going to score this around this old fixture because it's been painted over and it's kind of glued to the wall. There we go. Obviously, if you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, you're going to want to hire an electrician to do it. So now that we've removed this plate from the back of the light, it has 4 screws on each side. We're going to mount this plate to the box. I measured this light out. It measures 23 inches across. I've got plenty of room. They've provided us with some locking nuts and a couple of screws for this purpose. So the next move is going to be, we're going to screw this thing to the box. And at this point, I want to throw a level on there. Make sure we're level. Now I've screwed this plate onto there and I've got this nice and level. Make sure it's level. I'm going to take a screwdriver and just poke 4 holes in here to get a start for my anchors that I'm going to put under the wall right here. And I like that. Now I've already made starter holes for the anchors. They have provided us with 4 anchors here. So I'm just going to use a larger Phillips head screwdriver here. It's roughly the size of these anchors and just pop this through. There's 1. Honestly, not even sure you need an anchor this big. There's 1. 2. I'm gonna get these things semi-tight before I tighten everything down. 4. All right, perfect. There we go. Perfectly level. I'm going to use this ground plug that they have here. Just attach my ground wire right here. Luckily, in my case, I have this mirror sitting here that I can kind of balance this lamp on, but I'm going to wrap this ground wire around the ground lug on the lamp. And next, we're just going to hook up black to black and white to white. I've already tested for electricity. I know we're safe. All right, there's there. These wire nuts they provided are not bad at all. And as an extra precaution, I'm going to take some electrical tape and just wrap these up a little bit more because that's the way I like to do it. I'm going to push these guys back into here very safely, make sure I don't scratch or scrape anything. And this stuff is all just going to lie in here. Now we just got to put these 4 screws in. We should be good to go. That's not too bad. I did it. That should hold everything in place while we get the top on. That was easier than it looked. All right, they've actually provided us with pretty cool bubble glass. I like that. I like the bubble glass. So your next move is going to be unscrew these 3 things. Now you don't want to go too crazy here. Just hand tighten these guys. 2. The side with the lip goes on the top. All right, now we've got it all assembled. We've got the globes on. Remember, according to the literature, you can only use a maximum 60-watt light bulb. So I've got 3 of these here. And number 3. And let there be light. There it is. This light actually matches up perfect with my mom's farmhouse bathroom motif. She has this weathered mirror look here and this gray backsplash. Actually, it worked pretty perfect for us. The light was 23 inches long. It fit in there great. They make 2s, 3s, and 4s. I believe we elected to go with the 3 because it spans the length of the mirror. But if you're looking for a good, affordable option for a farmhouse light fixture, check this one out.